Hi, I'm James. I'm from the Vesper Group, and today I'm joined with Steve at Leap Accounts, and we're going to answer some of your questions that have come in with regards to accounting and tax. Steve, would you like to introduce yourself?
Sure. Yeah. So I'm Steve Tanner. I'm the Managing Director of Leap Accounts and Outsourcing. We work with clients on a range of areas in terms kind of small businesses, individuals. One of our areas of focus is property. So yeah, helping clients ensure everything is in line with the expectations of HMRC.
Amazing. So we have a lot of clients at the moment who are based over in Asia, and they're buying properties in the UK, and they don't, know much about, UK accounting, tax regulations. What would your kind of key bit of advice be for them when, buying a UK property in terms of, accounting, tax, reporting, etc.? Because I know that, from our side, we're obliged to, sign them up for NRL1. I just wondered what your kind of advice would be on this.
Sure. Yeah, I guess my first bit of advice probably would be, unless you're very hands-on and somewhat knowledgeable of the tax system in the UK, probably is to get an accountant or at least someone who is able to advise on deadlines with regards to what actually needs to be filed. So the first step would be to register for self-assessment, because as soon as you have taxable income from rent in the UK, you need to file a self-assessment return. So the deadline for that would be the 5th of October following the end of the tax year. So the tax year runs from the 6th of April to the 5th of April. So for example, if you start getting rental income on the 5th of September 2019, that year ends the 5th of April 2020, and therefore you need to register by the 5th of October 2020. So that's kind of the first step. The second step is to actually submit your self-assessment, which outlines kind of what rental income you received and therefore what tax needs to be paid. The deadline for that is then the following 31st of October, 31st of January. So if the tax year that you began receiving rental income is the 5th of April 2020, you'd need to submit your return by the 31st of January 2021. You'd also have to obviously pay the tax on that. And once again, the deadline for that is the 31st of January 2021.
Okay, amazing. Thanks very much. That's a great answer. And stay tuned, because we're going to do a few more videos like this with people's questions and answers on.